Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you about the typewriter effect in Filmora. First thing I have to tell you before I start the video that you have to download the typewriter sound. I have already downloaded the sound, and if you want the same, I have put the link in the description below. So let's start the video. We are going to use a black color background so that you can go to the sample colors and select black. After that, you have to pick a text. For that, you can go to the titles, then go to the plain text, select this here basic 6. You can drag and drop it in the timeline. You can double click it and go to the advanced. Here you can change the font as you want. I'm going to use Times New Roman, and I'm going to type here the typewriter effect. Then you can apply the effect here. Click the animation and double click the typewriter. When you play this, you can see the intro and outro. But here we don't want the outro. Therefore, we are going to drag this line to the end here. You can change the speed of the effect by moving this line here. Okay, this is good. Now I'm going to hit OK. Now we have to insert the typewriter sound. For that, you have to import the downloaded file, and you can drag it and drop it in the timeline. Okay, now let's play it. Thank you for watching my video.